So g'day and welcome to Gumardi's Coins and Banknotes, and today we're just going to have a look and see what some yummy things I have purchased. And these are from a seller I get off eBay, purchase off him quite regularly, which he has quite a lot of things to sell, and these are all Filipino coins. So this is one lot. Now I can't remember how much I purchased them for, but they're actually fairly common coins. So the best one is this 50 centavos from 1944, which is silver. I think it's 75% silver. But, God, one thing is that they love sticky tape. Okay, so, and the next lot that we have is Danish coins. So we'll have a look at the Filipino coins first, and then we'll go on to the Danish ones. Okay, so fellow coin collectors. So here we have a few sets of coins from the Philippines. So we have the set that was issued under the United States, and this was I think it was last minted 1945, but they circulated into the 50s after independence in, I believe, 1946 they got independence. So has the Philippines coat of arms at the time, United States of America, and these probably sell for about $20. So that's a nice coin. Then we have the independence issue. So obviously they kept the same design with a woman and a dropped it. Volcano in the background. Now, if you want to know about these coins, Cyrus the Coin Collector on YouTube is probably a better channel, although he does have bust videos. So this one is the coat of arms of the Philippines, which is the current coat of arms. So it has the US eagle down below and the Spanish lion. Okay, then we have the first Tagalog issue, which is quite nice. So this has heads of different people, and the name is down below. So this is Lapu Lapu, and I can't remember what their role in Philippines history is. A lot of them is probably independence fighters, and the obverse at the front of the coin is the coat of arms. So here we have Francisco Baltazar. Then that's 10 centavos. The 5 centavos has Mercora Aquino, so Acorio Aquino, which is probably a relation to the president. And there's that side. Juan Luna. Actually, this is one of my first Filipino coins I got, and I actually quite like the design. And, oh no, this is the English one. So you can see when they changed from the English to the Tagalog series, they changed the coins substantially as well. And they first issued their aluminium coins. And this one's a 25 centavos from 1966. Coat of arms. Pretty standard issue, common. Then, after that, they issued these horrible coins with a horrible design. They kept the same people on it, but it's just the effigy they put on it was terrible. And whoever designed it needed to take art classes. Okay, so has Mr. Luna on it, and on the back they changed the coat of arms with the Central Bank of the Philippines symbol, and that looks horrible. So they did change the style to a simpler one, but it's still horrible. And then in the 1980s they changed these beautiful animal coins. This is butterfly, this is an eagle, I think it's a fishing eagle, and on the, so this should be the front of the coins, has a person on it, but these probably could have been designed better. Then we had the 1 and the 2 pesos with a cow, buffalo, and coconut, cocos, nufrigos, Anos Indorensis. Oh, okay, so it's the Indonesian buffalo. Okay, so probably not related to the cow directly. And here we have images of these type of people. And in the 1990s, they reduced the size of the coins. So you had the large and the small 25 centavos, same design, same people on the back. 1990. Oops, let's see one. So these are not really worth that much, but they're just an interesting thing to keep. And we have the large copper nickel 1 peso and the small nickel plated steel. So you can see, and this is a bit shiny and this is dull. That's what happens because this has copper in it. It takes the tone quite readily. And oh, these are coin rotated. So originally they were, oh no, they're metal rotated. Originally they were coin rotated like that, but now they are metal rotated. So in Asia, the coins are all over the place between coin and metal rotated. Japan has metal rotated, Taiwan is coin rotated, China metal rotated, so and so. And the Philippines is the unsavory fact that it demonetizes its coins. So these ones are all being demonetized. The only ones that are legal tender are the ones that are currently in circulation. In the previous series, but I'm not too sure if the previous series is going to be withdrawn sooner or later. I'd say based on historical fact they will be, but it's been, I don't know, it's been at least 5 years. Okay, so now we have the coins of Denmark, and these are not that exciting. So the highest value is the 5 krone. It's also the largest coin. It's larger than any coin that Denmark issues these days, which is the 20 krone. So I was going to do a video on these. So all my Danish coins are actually out on the table with lots of different styles. But the design's pretty basic. Usually has a coat of arms on one side, and on the other side here you have the effigy. So these ones are Frederick, the 9th King of Denmark. These coins are pretty much uncirculated. So I don't know the mintage figures because I didn't look at them. So we've got 1960, 1972. 1972 is the last year of his reign. And then after that, his daughter, Marguerite II, took over. So here we have a larger coin, Marguerite II. And this is 1985. Change the design a bit. Okay, so yeah, there's those coins. So these are, with a population of 5 million, you can expect these to be a lower mintage than what we have in Australia. So we have 1948, so it's an aluminium bronze coin. And then, what date? What's that? So 1963. So I think 1960 they changed it to into copper nickel. And they did demonetize these coins. But in 1989, I think, from memory, they reduced the size of this coin and put a hole in it. But they didn't demonetize this coin. So you could theoretically still use this in Denmark. But more than likely, is people are not going to accept it. And you just take it to a bank and change it over. Then we have these zinc coins, which are pretty much uncirculated. So they got rid of the 1 and 2 ore in 1972 when they issued a smaller, actually, no, I think they issued this earlier. 1969, 1963, what date's that on? 1972 is the last year. Okay, so I think about 1960s, they changed it from this larger zinc coin to this small bronze coin. And interesting fact is that Denmark kept zinc coins that were issued by the Germans during the Second World War. So they just say, oh, it's a cheaper metal, why not just keep it? But you can see this white thing just up there. That's the actual zinc oxidizing. I think that might be zinc sulfur, but I need to look that up. Okay, and these ones, okay, the other one's gone somewhere. So these ones are pretty uncirculated, so they haven't had time to alter. But it could be they have manganese in them, which reduces the rate of alteration. And that's the 1 and 2 öre. Then we have the 10 öre, which there are two different types. So this one has a ribbon on the back, this one doesn't. And on the front of the coin we have FR, and this one's 1954, 69. So in the 60s they changed the design, don't know why. And also the 25 öre, what we have here is we have 3 different types for Mr. Frederick. So we have the first type, which doesn't have the plants on the front. The second type has plants on the front. The third type is hold. Now I'm not too sure why they should hold coins, but they, as far as I know, Denmark has removed these from circulation, so these are no longer. I think they're still legal tender, but they just don't issue 25 euro coins anymore. The highest value they issue is 50 euro, and that's worth about 10 cents. So this coin's probably worth about 20 cents. I'd say realistically, probably at 17, 18 cents in exchange rate. But I just make it 5 to 1. So this is equivalent to 1 cent. This is equivalent to 5 cents. So Denmark hasn't got any coins equivalent to 5-cent coins. Okay, so the interesting fact about Denmark is that when it removes coins from circulation, they usually demonetize them. Some denominations, when they change the design, they don't demonetize the previous coins. And when they reduce the size, so these 5 krona are still legal tender. And then you get confusion because they demonetize this one because of different metal, but they kept these ones, which are copper nickel, which are still legal tender. So Denmark's all over the place. Some coins they demonetize, some coins they just don't. Unlike the Philippines, which just demonetizes all older coins, except for the last 2 series. Anyway, hope this helps you with your coin collecting. Let me know what you think, which country has the best coin design, and yeah, have an awesome coin and banknote collecting time. Thank you and goodbye.